exciting things that happen and the amazing... scrap that. I founded Iandme in response to the damaging consumer habits and throwaway fast fashion culture that I was witnessing at my previous role of a denim buyer on the high street. This response was really all about encouraging consumers to buy less and buy better. So Iandme works on a slow, regenerative model that prioritises the planet and the people over and above anything else. Iandme is defined by sustainable manufacturing practices. We partner with incredible mills from around the world who are still using antique shuttle looms and real true craftsmanship. And this really drives the design process behind our collections. Denim's iconic, it's versatile and really exciting to work with. It's the most substantial and seasonless fabric out there. What I love most about denim is the important role it's played in youth culture, and I'm always looking back and referencing key denim historical moments when researching my collections for Iandme. I find inspiration from so many different places. Sourcing new colours and new silhouettes from vintage is always something that we lean on when designing and developing collections. Our new collection, named Better With You, is an ode to the baggy generation of the late 80s and early 90s. Over and above everything else, the distinction from this kind of subculture was that the clothes must be loose enough to dance in. Iandme is not perfect as a sustainable business, and we understand that there's many things that we can do to move forward. We offer 100% plastic-free and biodegradable packaging with our orders. Each collection we do improve on our footprint, and we are so excited to be able to say that we've got 100% biodegradable denim coming out. Iandme is all about a balance of denim, craftsmanship and its heritage, partnered with modern contemporary design and future innovative technologies driven by sustainable practices.